Hiya guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a video for all of you naturalistas that have busy schedules like me and also don't want to over manipulate your hair throughout the week but enjoy having your hair out. It's the summer, you want to do styles and take advantage of the climate. So I'm going to show you how I do a twist out and then transition that style throughout the working week and into the weekend. I'm going to be using two products that are from Antidote Street and from the brand ROOT2TIP. The first product is the Quench Anti-Breakage Cream and the second is the Twist and Curls Styling Pudding. These are from a British brand. I'll leave the link below of where you can purchase them. So let me know what you think of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Camera, I've already put my hair into sections and I'll start off by moisturizing my hair with the Quench Anti-Breakage Cream and then add the Twist and Curls Styling Pudding on top just to seal that in, and I twist my hair all the way to the bottom. Here's how I do the hanging Bantu knots. So I place my fingers on the length of my hair and then I loop the twist over and then twist it around the twist in a circular motion. Then I pull that down towards the end of the twist. I'm going to show you a couple more times so you can understand what I mean. Again, I've moisturized and sealed that section. I flat twist this time all the way to the end and then I place my finger halfway up the twist. I loop it over my finger and then wrap the end of the twist around itself. I take my finger out and pull the knot down towards the end. I'm going to show you one more time. So twist all the way to the end, loop around and pull it down. You'll get the hang of it, and the great thing about this is that it works on all length hair. Even if your hair is short, you can do a variation. Try it out and see what you think. So for my edges, I'm not using any gel. I'm just using these two products. So I spritz some water and then tie my edges down with cut off stocking foot. So it's the next day and I'm untwisting my hair. I'm careful to make sure that I don't snag the ends of my hair. After I've untwisted each section, I start to fluff and fluff so that my hair starts to take shape and has some volume, but I don't want to disturb the curl pattern too much because I'd like this style to last. So I just lightly finger detangle and unravel and use my afro pick just to add some volume to the roots. So you can see it's taken shape and I'm off to work. That's day one down. Okay, next day, here we go. I sleep with bands in my hair. This helps to preserve my curls, as you can see. Here I have my hair in 5 sections. This is the only way that I can sleep at night and my curls are still preserved. I find it much better than pineappling my hair. In the morning, as you can see, I just take out the elastic bands and gently just fluff my roots to get rid of the partings from where I've had my hair in bands, and that's it. I'm ready to go to work. Okay, so here's the third day. My hair is looking pretty decent. It still feels really moisturized. I just want to smooth my edges. So I add the styling pudding just to my edge and then I use some goals, hair grips just to, just add some style to the side of my hair, make it look a little bit different. But I don't really need to do too much. My hair still feels really good, still moisturized. These products are really good for my hair. I'm loving it so far. Okay, here's the 4th day. So again, you can see my hair is just getting more voluminous, but it still feels really soft. I do, however, just want to be mindful of my edges where my hair tends to break. So I add some of the Quench Anti-Breakage Cream to my edges and I follow that up with the Twisting Pudding because it's quite heavy and acts as a bit of a sealant. And then I just add some of the pudding to the crown of my hair. It's been very hot here and the crown of my hair tends to be dry, so I just wanted to just add a bit there. I'm just stretching my hair. At night I did sleep with the bands in again, I just didn't show you that on camera. This is how I wear my hair to work. So the next day, I'm going to try something different. It's time to switch it up. My curls are going now, so I separate the front of my hair into 3 sections and add a twist to both sides of my hair. Off camera, I have added both products because my hair was in need of some moisture. It's been a couple of days, so it's just time to be moisturised. But again, my hair still feels really, really soft, and they're the only 2 products I've used. In the middle section, I separate that again into 2 and add 2 large twists just to keep my hair out of the way. I'll come back to that in a minute and you'll see how I style. So on the sides of my hair, I wrap those twists almost like a flat twist to my hair, and then I pull it around the back of my hair, and then I add a hair grip just to secure it. It's actually easier if you watch rather than me describe it. It makes sense if you watch it. It's actually pretty difficult to describe. I also add another hair grip towards the front of that twist just to keep it in place. I do the same thing on the other side, adding a hair grip to the front and to the back. I loosen the section in the middle and I make it into one big loose twist, fluffing it to add some volume, and it's kind of going to look like a quiff. And then I just clip the ends into the twist at the side. As you can see, my hair's looking pretty good. I do just want to add another hair grip to the front to just keep my hair lying flat, and it's kind of hidden under the quiff. And I add the same thing on the other side and I hide it underneath the twist of my hair, and I'm done. I work in an office and I think this is a very nice hairstyle for the workplace. So there's me being a boss, as you know. Okay, it's the weekend now and I want to do something a little bit more fun and carefree. So I'm just going to move my hair into a puff. I use a cut off stocking foot, a clean one, and that is what I use to do all of my puffs. So I just gently pull my hair up and use the stocking foot to act as a hairband and to push my hair forward. I tie that loosely and just continue to fluff and pull the top of my hair. And I like this style because it doesn't create too much tension on my edges. I pull out the sides just for a little bit of decoration, and I'm just going to try and add some definition to it. So I twist a little bit with my fingers just to see if I can make it look a little bit more neat. And then I use the Afro pick to fluff the top again. I'm just going to use water and a soft bristle brush, and then I'm going to try and smooth that down using my headscarf. I like how it looks with the headscarf on, but on this day I actually just decided to wear it without it, although you could wear it with the headscarf, as you can see. Here you go, that's it for today. I just need to tuck away the stocking further back so people can't see. Otherwise the style looks great, and as you can see I've made this style transition throughout the whole week with very minimal manipulation. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really loved making it for you, and I really enjoyed using these 2 products which kept my hair really moisturized and soft, especially in the heat. If you'd like to purchase these products, you can purchase them from AntidoteStreet.com. I'll leave a link below where you can purchase them directly, and they have worldwide delivery. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.